Hello student, today we will take up chapter number 8, slide organization in PowerPoint. In this chapter we will discuss about how to change slide layout, how to rearrange slide in outline tab, how to rearrange slide in slide sorter view, how to edit object, how to move object, how to copy delete text object, how to work with word art, how to insert text box, clip art shape, rotating resize and pictures using shadow effects. Now with the help of these slides you can clear your concepts.
First topic, changing the slide layout. Click on the view button, then click on the slider sorter. You will get the blank template. Then moving on to the home tab, you will have the layout button. In the layout, there is a drop down list in which you will get the different designs. Select any one and the text on the slide will be arranged automatically according to the chosen layout. Next topic is inserting text box. Sometimes you may want to add more text than the area provided for entering text. Let's take example how to insert a text box into the PowerPoint slide. Go to the Home tab, add a new slide. Now you will get the blank slide. For inserting a text box, go to the Insert tab, click on the text box and just drag the text box onto the plain slide. Now you can add your text. Next topic is working with word art. The word art feature helps you to create a special text effect. You can select the text you want to change the color, font, size and shape. Go to the Insert tab, select the word art option. A drop down list will appear. You can select any design you want. You can see that the font will change. Similarly, you can change the text shape and size. Go to the Format tab, click on the text outline. You can select the text outline color. You can see the text outline will change to black. You can give some text effects also, such as glow. If I'll select glow, a drop down list will appear and you can select any variation you want. Next topic is copying object. You can copy the object anywhere on a slide between the slides or from one presentation file to another. Select the object, click on the copy button on the home tab, or you can use Ctrl C key option. Place the cursor after the last point, click on the paste button on the home tab, or you can use Ctrl V. The text will appear. If you want to delete any text object, you can just press delete from your keyboard. The text will disappear. Thank you. Next topic is moving object. You can move the object from one place to another either on the same slide or between the different slides. Select the object. Click on the cut button on the home tab. The object will disappear. Place the cursor after the last point on the same slide. Click on the paste button on the home tab. The select object will appear on the cursor position. Next topic is editing text object. It is important to know how to perform basic tasks with text while working in PowerPoint. Open the slide in which you want to edit the text. Click on the text, a placeholder will appear. Place the cursor at the point where you want to edit the text. Now make the required change in the text. After editing the text, click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar to save the changes. Next topic is rearranging slides in slide sorter view. Click on the View tab, Inside the View tab, there is a Slide Shorter button. Click on this tab. Select the slide that you want to move. Drag the slide to a new location. A vertical bar appears next to the slide where the slide is moved. Next topic is rearranging slides in Slide Shorter view. Click on the Slide Shorter view on the View tab. Select the slide that you want to move. Drag the slide to a new location. A vertical bar appears next to the slide where the slide is moved. Next topic is rearranging slides in the Outline tab. Click on the Normal button on the View tab. If needed, choose the Outline tab to display the text outline in slide. Select the slide icon on the slide you want to move. Drag the slide to a new location. A horizontal line appears as you drag the slide. When the horizontal line reaches to the desired location, release the mouse. The slide moves to the new location. In this video, I'll be covering how to insert a clip art and shapes, how we can rotate the shapes and pictures, how we can resizing the pictures, and how we can add some shadow effects. So I'll be first starting with the clip art. You can go to the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, you will see a clip art option. Once you entered the clip art, you can see another box is open. You can search anything you want to add in the slide, like I want to add tree. So you can click on the Go button. You will get one Christmas tree. Once you click on the Christmas tree, this will appear on your slide. You can resizing this tree by increasing their width and breadth. You can see a double-headed arrow will appear on the edges. You can just click on the right button and drag on the left side or the right side. You will see a green color circle is there on the top of the shape. The use of this green circle is to rotate the shapes. If you can just click on the green button, you can move the shape clockwise or anti-clockwise, like this. Moving on to the inserting of shapes. If you go to the Insert tab, there is a shape option. You can click on the shape and select what shape you want. I'm selecting this smiley and drag it on my template. Similarly, you can change the shape, you can change the height of this shape and also rotate this shape. I want to add some shadows in this shape. You can go to the Home button and click on the shape effect. I'm selecting the reflection one and selecting the below reflection. You can see the shadow of this image will appear downwards. This is how we can add different shapes, clip art, and changing the size of these images. Thank you.